Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Dadinda Fatmata Zahra with name from class 2B Nursing. Happy for watching. My name is Dea. Currently, I am in my third semester in the nursing department at the Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya campus. In this third semester, I have gained a lot of experience, one of which is in the English course. This is my story. For me, the most challenging moment is when presenting the discussion material and then having to ask and answer questions raised by other groups. The reason is because we have to understand and comprehend the material presented and also be able to answer the question raised. Besides that, our mentality is also trying to be able to deliver the material using good and correct English in front of the audience. We must also be able to think critically in there to express our opinion. In addition, because I had never presented using English before, when there was an assignment to present, it became a new moment and a challenge for me. In addition to the challenging moment, I also got something interesting, namely when doing role play in the laboratory and of course doing it in English. Because with that, we try new things and are trying to communicate between nurses and patients using a foreign language. Another interesting thing is when I listen to explanation of material that I previously did not know and went to know more. Apart from that, I feel that there is a moment that makes me proud of the effort that have been made. Namely, when I was able to go through this learning with all its joy and sorrow and almost give up because I couldn't use English, but during the learning process I tried to show my best, build self-confidence, and continue to practice. During this semester, I have gained a lot, namely learning to practice nursing action using English, then learning to pronounce words correctly, learning about the stage of a good and correct presentation, and also making media for a correct presentation. There are several problems when I learn English, such as in terms of grammar, because there are many assumptions and irregularities, so it is difficult to understand grammar or grammar in the context of tenses and words that have many meanings. Then not yet confident, not used to it, and there is a fear of making mistake when using English because I rarely practice in everyday life. Then in terms of pronunciation, it is difficult to pronounce when reading because there are differences in articulation and how to pronounce it. Also, not many vocabulary words are memorized. Therefore, due to the emergence of this problem, I want to learn more about improving my English pronunciation, increasing my vocabulary, and continuing to be guided to use good and correct English. After going through a lot of learning, I think the score I deserve is above the average score, such as 90. Because even though I am not yet fluent in learning English, I have tried my best and tried continuously so that the results are satisfactory and do not betray the result that I have achieved. Learning is hard, but it is even harder if you don't know anything. Always remember that success is not easy to achieve, so it takes struggle to get it. Thank you.